At kahapon nga naganap ang Barangay Elections 2013. At syempre, JC, marami mga issues, marami rin yung mga naglabasan. So ngayon, para bigyan tayo ng linaw at impormasyon tungkol nga sa nangyaring eleksyon kahapon, makasama po natin ating very special guest this morning, si Ms. Erna T. Malinaw, Division Chief, Comelec Public Relations. Good morning po, Ms. Erna.
Good morning.
Ms. Erna, kamusta po ang eleksyon kahapon?
The elections kahapon generally was good. It had a good turnout, although we cannot have yet a definite figure on the turnout because the reports will just be coming in today from our regional directors. But everything went well.
Ma'am, merong mga, well, of course, we can't avoid, no? Talaga namang bawat election so far,
Hindi nangyayari talaga.
merong issue, merong problems, kunyari, ng election violence, merong issues ng snatching din daw na nangyari. Na, sa totoo lang naman, wala naman talaga kasalanan yung Comelec doon eh. Kasi mga kandidato
Ito
yung...
na yung mga hindi mo maiiwasan mga pangyayari.
But how is this elections compared to the previous elections in terms of these anomalies?
We have better conduct. It was smoother. Those are just isolated cases that we have had. Like you said, hindi naman kasi siya perfect. Mayroon siyang mga expected na glitches, but none that are so major that hindi siya na-rectify, corrected, at saka nakabalik din kami sa smooth na flow.
Actually, ma'am, napansin ko nung bumoto noong May 2013, merong picture yung mga listahan ng botante doon sa presinto. This year, wala. Bakit magkaiba yung naging list, Ms. Erna?
Actually, hindi siya iba. There really are, the document that you mentioned, we call it the Election Day Computerized Voters List.
Or yung
mga
ECVL,
pictures,
no?
EDCVL. Yun yung may picture doon. We call them your biometrics, your picture, your thumbprints, your fingerprints, and your signature nandoon yun. So, meron pa rin siya ngayon.
Pero ito, Ms. Erna, hindi automated yung kahapon, yung election
Hindi.
manual siya.
Manual.
So ano po bang mga challenges ang ating nakaharap?
Dahil sa manual na elections natin.
Meron po ba or
Meron naman, pero none that na we cannot overcome. And kasi mga expected yon. Siyempre, pag manual, hindi siya kagaya sa automated na automatic yung pagka-count ng votes. Ito, iniisa-isa, binabasa. Halimbawa, Erna Malinaw, for Kagawad, tapos kung sino-sino, lahat yan. But since this is just barangay elections, we're just counting 8, di ba, sa isang balota. At saka ilang presinto lang, mga 4 or sa mga small na communities. Of course, it's different in Metro Manila because bigger ang kanyang mga barangays. But generally, iilan-ilan lang na presinto. So, na-overcome yung challenge na yun.
Pero Ms. Erna, pumunta naman tayo dun sa mga bumoboto mismo. Ito nga, may mga bumoto rin ng mga senior citizens at mga PWDs. Kamusta po? Ano pong ginagawa ng Comelec na action dun? Kasi may mga nakita tayo na talagang inaakyat nila yung mga third floor. So, kawawa naman po.
Actually, yun nga, salamat sa tanong mo. Meron ho kaming ginagawa ang commission and it's spearheaded by Commissioner Padaka, Commissioner Luwe. Of course, the rest of the commission and the whole of the commission. Yung we're trying to make better yung maging accessible ang polling places now. We have just had the pilot areas, 4 of them, all over the Philippines. One, Metro Manila, dito sa SM Manila, isa sa Lipa City, isa sa General Santos City for Mindanao, and for the Visayas, we had Cebu City. And the turnout was very good.
Ano yung measure na ito, Ms. Malinaw, para dun sa mga PWDs?
Sa PWDs at saka senior citizens.
Senior
We call vulnerable sectors. So, para maging accessible siya, yung ginawa natin, yung sa 4 areas were mostly from yung sa mga SM malls. They partnered with us, with Comelec. Kaya meron na sila, instead of going to their precincts, diba? They signed for an agreement, consent, na they can vote in
the SM.
Nag-start po ito kahapon?
Kahapon, we piloted those areas, and the full implementation of these these things will be for the May 2016.
For the next election.
There's a law
At
on
least ang
that.
maganda dito, JC, unti-unti tinutugunan ng COMELEC. So
Right.
Yes.
every election, talagang nag-i-improve yung mga ginagawa ng COMELEC.
Although, actually, Ms. Malinaw, pinag-uusapan din namin kanina, yung mga buildings din kasi dapat, hindi ba dapat meron to mga ramps na required?
Yes, oo. Actually, hindi lang for elections. I know
Yes.
for a fact
Yes.
that there are different organizations. I have lots of friends from the PWDs that really are trying to put in place, not just
Right.
for COMELEC, for elections purposes, but for their everyday use.
Exactly.
Yung sa mga accessibility ng mga establishments na.
Ito naman, JC, alamin din natin na for Ms. Erna, ano po ba? May mga probinsya po ba na hindi natuloy yung mga barangay elections nila o nagsara yung mga precincts po nila?
Oo. We have identified some provinces with a few precincts that failed to function, but we are just na-suspend lang pala, na-suspend
pong
lang pala
dahilan?
elections. So, kadamihan sa kanila hindi nakarating ang mga bets. They refuse to serve for fear of for safety reasons, security reasons, at saka yung iba naman dahil yung sa inclement to weather.
Okay.
Alright.
So, matutuloy naman siya. We are just resetting. Siguro today or ano.
And starting yesterday, meron na tayo mga na-pronounce or na-announce na mga winners. Tama ba, Erna? Or ngayon pa lang ba natin talaga inaasahan?
As of last night, we expect that there will be some.
Alright.
Kasi meron naman kasing maliliit lang na
Barangay.
mga ilan lang presinto. So, na-count na yung kanilang votes, but they have not turned over. Like I said, the reports will be coming in. Kasi between last night and today, we expect the reports to be coming in today.
Alright. And from yesterday and today, ano na yung mga susunod nating proseso? Meron pa bang counter-checking? Aabot pa ba sa Congress? Kasi di ba usually ganun kapag
wala
national?
Na, kasi sa national yon. But for local and the barangay elections, hindi involved ang Congress until
Alright.
kahit hanggang sa proclamation. So it's within the Board of Election Tellers hanggang sa Barangay Board of Canvassers.
Hanggang dun lang. So tapos after nun, final na yung announcement.
May proclamation na sila.
Alright.
It's the Barangay Board of Canvassers that proclaim our winners.
Ms. Erna, ngayon naman, ano po yung mga ahensya na tumulong sa COMELEC para mapatupad ang kaayusan sa election para naman ma-acknowledge natin sila?
Oo. Kada election po talagang we have the deputized agencies that partner with COMELEC, and we are always appreciative and grateful for their help. We have, of course, yung ating mga bayani na mga guro, yung ating mga teachers who
course.
serve as the Board of Election Tellers, Board of Canvassers, and sa atin, ang mga AFP at PNP na
PNP,
nagpapanatili po ng kaayusan at saka sa peace and order ng ating elections, not just on the election day, but before and after. So we partner with them. A lot of agencies put in their help in any way. Halimbawa sa transportation, meron sila, at saka additional na augmented na personnel para sa amin.
Alright.
Alright.
So, Erna, ina-expect natin today, merong press release na ang COMELEC. Mga anong oras
Hopefully
kaya ito?
before lunch.
Before
Lunchtime,
lunch.
there will be an en-bank meeting today.
Alright.
So the chairman and the commissioners will be meeting and will be giving updates for the press con that will be around lunchtime.
Alright, so abangan natin yan no,
Yes.
sa
Yun yung mga
updates
dapat natin
ng COMELEC.
alamin. At syempre, Ms. Erna, do you have any last message to our viewers?
Well, nagpapasalamat po kami at ginawa ng lahat na maging maayos. For our voters, nagpapasalamat kami na maayos po ang boto nila. They have cooperated with the Commission on Elections, and they have really exercised their right to vote. And for our partners, yung mga deputized agencies po namin, nagpapasalamat din po kami ng lubos sa kanilang tulong sa amin palagi.
Okay, maraming salamat,
Thank you
Erna.
so much.
At pinaunlakan mo ang aming imbitasyon to
Maraming
give
salamat
updates
din po.
from COMELEC. Yan po si Erna Malinaw, ang Division Chief ng COMELEC Relations.